They say inside Biafra land now, say every Biafra go dey pay small tax inside. The PM of Biafra Republic government in exile. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Before we quickly jump into the matter wey we get for hand today, and you know say you never give this channel a follow or subscribe to our channels, I don't know wetin you dey wait to, or you may quickly go subscribe and turn your notification bell for a quick update as e dey hot. We are here to bring you a ogbonge news as e dey hot. Now we dey bring and dey come for you. So my people, let's quickly go look into the ogbonge news wey we get for hand today. Oh, no be small thing. So the waka dey go now. They say move come here, will dey happen. We quickly go there, carry our camera first there. They say the PM wey be Simon Ekpa don talk say, he say very soon everyone in Biafra land go dey pay tax. He say that tax wey people go dey pay now, they tell they buy kala where they go take first Nigeria government. No be small thing. You know, say sometimes talk no dey good for our mouth. Now they bring you videos make you watch, and from there you go know and hear as it take talk am. Only thing wey you go do before you begin to comment, please watch this video from beginning to end, and you go see how it take put am. You say everyone, even you go pay tax put. Okay, now my people, we go watch the video before we come back, come continue.
Propaganda can win a war. Propaganda can never win war. For us to be able to get to this level, we have defeated Nigeria, neutralized them, delegitimized them, and we are going to do this from village to village, from town to town, from city to city, until Biafra land is completely captured. This is Biafra army. Biafra resistance fighters in the street of Biafra land. After their parade, why they will tell you, oh, the Nigeria army have done this and done that. You know, when I tell you people how we neutralize them, they thought we are joking. Let them come here. This is completely under the control of Biafra army. And more are coming. And you know, the next thing, some of them say, oh, they don't have weapons. They don't have weapons. They did not have weapons. It's only few people have weapons. The same people will not be talking about how we resist and repel the terrorists in uniform each time they come. We don't repel them with ordinary hand. We repel them with the same equal measures of firepower. And you don't tell us what to do. We don't display our arms. What I did last time was to show them that we can actually say no-fly zone and we can enforce it. I said after Finland Convention, things will never remain the same. And from tomorrow, things will never remain the same. We are now back to full liberation of Biafra. We now have a government. We now have two governments. We have the government in the homeland, and we have the exile government. Those of you who have been appointed to head the government of the de facto in the homeland, you will be communicated internally on what and how this is done. This evening, I am informing Biafra people that the de facto government will tax every Biafran, and the tax is called the Biafra Liberation Tax. The Biafra Liberation Tax is a tax that will be imposed by the Biafra de facto government in the homeland, and this tax will be used to buy weapons that we use to protect our land and defend ourselves against external aggression. Biafra will be the only nation that will defend itself aggressively within Nigeria until the declaration of Biafra. Because we want to put every culpability where culpability is and run a transparent government. You will be hearing from time to time instructions and directives, especially on the issue of finance. The Biafra de facto government has a receipt. War, defense, security requires fund, requires money. And if you make yourself available to be used by the enemy in order to demoralize our people, you are also going to be a victim of insecurity. If out of hatred, jealousy, greed, you fight against your own security, you will become a victim of insecurity. I want to briefly tell you how Biafra is going to come. At this point, we have over 100,000 personnel of the Biafra Liberation Army and the Biafra resistance fighters across Biafra land. Our aim is to make sure that we have every sophisticated weapon needed to defend our land. And the delegitimization of Nigeria have started, as you all know, within Biafra land. We delegitimize Nigeria until the last person remaining. When I mean the last person is that we will delegitimize local government, we delegitimize state government, we delegitimize the federal presence in Biafra land, and then after that, we are going to organize our self-referendum. Before we go to the point of organizing self-referendum, the world will talk and shout about Biafra. Because we are going to raise a dust that has never been seen anywhere in the world. In anywhere people are fighting freedom, we're going to fight our own differently. So in the course of delegitimizing Nigeria terrorist government in Biafra land, we will raise a dust. And by then, they will be shouting, can they conduct a referendum? We are going to close our ear to that. Make sure the delegitimization of Nigeria is ruthless. After that, when we are satisfied that indeed we have delegitimized Nigeria from the security apparatus to the lowest, that we can now conduct a referendum just like what you see on the screen of the Biafra Liberation Army freely moving in our territory. We are going to make it like that. And then after that, we'll conduct a referendum. And during the time of referendum, we are going to have another summit in Finland. That will be the last summit in Finland. And in that summit will be in line with the referendum voting. We will make sure that we create a platform for every Biafra all over the world to participate in the voting for Biafra referendum. You see, I am not hiding anything. I'm not hiding the roadmap to Biafra, because it's that you must know. And it is something the international community must know. It is something that anybody who cares to know must know. So for those who say, oh, don't reveal your secret, we don't have secret. There is no secret. Everything I've been doing from the day one, I have always revealed it, and I will do it. At least you have been able to follow for a while and see that I've never said anything and I didn't do it. So after delegitimizing the terrorist government that kills our people within Biafra land, where we make sure we control the entire Biafra, make it very, very unsafe for all the criminals and terrorists within Biafra land. And our
my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch this video and hear everything where PM Simon Ekpa, Biafra Republic government in exile, said in this particular video. The particular side will be the head of this video is concerning the third side, and they ask you to leave your own opinion in the comment section. As they hot now, they bring and they come one know waiting be your opinion concerning this third side, and the waiting be your opinion for all the whole to win talk for this video. So if you get your question or agreement, may you still leave them by comment section. Let's talk over there. Now as they go now. Oh yeah, may you share this video so that other people go here and know what they go on. Share this video, very, very important. As they share them, make sure say you leave your own opinion. So, and also follow and subscribe to this channel, very, very important. Okay, my people, we'll see you for the next update.